O'Brien's got it. Yeah, O'Brien's got it.
Hello, this is Scott with O'Brien Nissan. We all know it can be challenging to get ready for work in the wintertime. Nothing's worse than heading out to your car and seeing that tire light on. So today, we're going to head on back to the service department, talk to one of the genuine Nissan certified technicians, let us know what we should do. Hey there, Mike.
Hey,
how's
Scott.
it going, man?
Not bad, are
Hey,
you?
busy today?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Hey, yeah, that's good. Hey, so I have a lot of customers and friends of mine that have been asking questions about their tire pressure, especially driving in the wintertime. What can you tell me about that?
Tire pressure is definitely a very important thing in the wintertime because you can lose about a pound of pressure per 10 degrees. And a lot of times with overinflating tires, you can cause wear on the center part of the tire, as to where if it's underinflated, you can actually cause wear on the outside of the tire. Nissan actually installed a placard in here that tells you the proper pressure to put in your tires. So you definitely want to make sure that you keep that because it also helps out with fuel economy in the vehicle. But if any of your friends have any troubles, any problems, they can always come in to O'Brien Nissan. We'll take care of it.
Thank you, appreciate that. So as you can see, there's some healthy tips for maintaining your tires during wintertime driving. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye out for more videos.